All right, guys, I'm getting the fence put together here. It is hot today. It's about 90 degrees, and I'm working in full sun. So I just got this new bad boy here. I debated. It's kind of pricey, but man, get your shirt wet. This thing going, it's fantastic. Anyway, so I'm installing these pickets today, and I thought I'd show you this. It's called a storage stick. So basically, I've marked out where every 1x6 post will go. And then what I do, it's going to be hard to do with, but I lean it against this, and then I make all of my markings along my horizontals, and that's what allows to set all this, fairly quickly.